There was some great kind of quick turnaround direct agreements coming out of the workshop, so particularly around everyone agreeing to consistent naming of the services to follow Welsh Government example. We've now got some work to do to make sure that's enabled and embedded, but it was great to have that conversation and that agreement. There was also sort of longer term outcomes agreed in terms of Welsh Government and local government working together to design cost of living content, which again, alongside CDPS, we're interested in continuing to support that and make that happen. Interestingly, there were quite a few kind of indirect outcomes that I think have been beneficial. We've heard from a number of authorities that they feel they have a better understanding of design and content good practice, and also some of the research and good practice we presented has helped raise that case for change. And in addition to that, I think there was a general feeling from the day of the power of collaboration and also the appetite for shared single consolidated solutions. So that's something we're going to take out and bear that in mind for future work. We're hoping to run more sessions working together to kind of capitalise on the dialogue and the momentum that we have in place. There are a number of actions that came out of the session, so we're going to work with CDPS on putting those into practice so that we can drive some kind of tangible impact and outcomes from this session and from kind of future ones that we run.